Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we do some practice programs in Python. In our previous classes, we have done some examples. All these examples will help you a lot in improving your coding skills, and so that you can easily crack the placement exams. Please follow our playlist. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's program, take the question, try to solve it on your own, then check for the solution. You can visit our website learningmonkey.in so that you can take the complete placement course and you can take many of the placement practice tests. Okay, so coming to today's question, a company Digicom Parts manufactures 52 types of unique products. They are manufacturing 52 types of unique products for laptop and desktop computers. So computers may be missing here, laptop and desktop computers. It manufactures 10 types of laptop products and 42 types of desktop products. Each product manufactured by the company has a unique product ID from A to Z and capital A to Z. So unique IDs are provided to the computer parts. So they are between A to Z and A to Z, capital A to Z and small a to Z. The laptop products have product IDs AEIOU, AEIOU. So the vowels in the capital letters and the vowels in the small letters are assigned to laptop product IDs. Remaining IDs are given to the desktop products. So while the rest of the products are assigned to the desktop products, the company manager wishes to find the sales data for the desktop products. So take the example so that we can easily understand. The company manager wants to identify the sale data. Input is given integer n. The number shows number of product IDs considered from the sale data. Everyday sales are going on from the sale data. The last n products that are sold out, those n products will be considered. That is what the sale data n is mentioned. So what's the n value is the how many last sold out products. That's how many n sold products should be considered. That is what the n value is. String of next one, the input should be given as a 1. N value should be given, and we have to provide a string of last n product IDs sold. So the last n products that are sold, that is the product IDs are provided as a string. So that is the question. And the output you have to display, count the number of desktop products sold. From that string you have to identify the number of desktop products that are sold. You have to give the count value. So this program is easy. You can write it easily, whatever the basics. And in our previous classes we discussed that if you are having a deeper understanding of the concepts of Python, coding is very simple. That is what you will understand if you write the coding for this. Because whatever the logics we discussed for deeper understanding of the concepts in our previous examples, that helps you a lot in writing the code very easy. So watch the videos again and again till you get the deeper understanding. So coding will be very easy. If you write this program, you will understand that if you write this program. Okay, it's very simple. Coming to the logic, you take that. So example, input 8 is given. 8 the string is given A, J, K, L, A, E, Q, capital Q. In this A means it's a vowel laptop part, J, K, L are desktop parts, capital A, E are laptop parts, Q is the desktop parts. Total how many are there? 5 are there. So that is what the output is. How many desktop products are sold out in the last n sale data. That is what they are trying to ask. So coming to the logic, we are not giving any logic to this because directly going into the program and we are explaining the program. Logic is very simple. In our previous classes, these type of logics we already discussed so many. That's why we are not explaining the logics. So coming to the program part, list 1 we are taking. So in the list 1 we are taking AEIOU, vowels. All the vowels are considered in a list. Count is equal to 0. N is equal to input is considered as n should be greater than 0. String input string is also given. So this input string, we are converting the input string into list. So that all the input parts, the string will be separated and each character is considered as a element in the list. So these are the basics which we discussed previously. So we are converting into list. So for understanding purpose, we have displayed the print list 2. So no need to display the list 2. For J in list, we are moving in the list. In the list, if J not in list 1, what is list 1? Ovals. If it is not there in list 1, count increase. Means it's a desktop product. If it is there in the list 1 means it is a laptop product. So move in the list 2 and update the count. That is what it's very simple. Output is 5. A, J, K, L, A, Q, Q. So we are displaying this. No need of displaying this. Input A, J, K, L, A, E, Q, Q is taken as the input. For this, the output is 5. Okay, hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.